In the world of software, the battle between SaaS and product models is ongoing. Each model has carved its niche in the tech industry, with both offering unique benefits and challenges. On one hand, we have the SaaS or software as a service model. This is a subscription-based approach where users pay a regular fee to access the software, typically hosted on the cloud. It's like renting a house. You don't own it, but you get to live in it as long as you keep up with the rent. The perks, regular updates, and ongoing support, all included in your subscription. On the flip side, we have the product model, where you buy standalone software, much like buying a house. You pay upfront, you own it, and it's yours to keep. Updates may come at an extra cost, and support might be limited, but you enjoy the luxury of customization and control. These two models are fundamentally different, not just in how they're accessed or paid for, but also in how they're maintained, updated, and how they generate revenue. In the SaaS model, maintenance and updates are more controllable. Because the software is centrally hosted, updates can be rolled out to all users simultaneously, ensuring everyone has the latest version. This uniform approach can be more efficient than managing individual product installations, but it also poses its own challenges, like ensuring smooth updates without disruptions across a vast user base. The product model, on the other hand, offers more control to users over updates and maintenance. It's like being the homeowner who decides when to renovate or repair. This allows for greater customization, but can also lead to fragmentation if users don't update regularly, causing varied versions and potential support challenges. When it comes to profitability, SaaS often offers a more predictable revenue stream due to its subscription-based nature. However, the product model can generate larger initial profits from one-time sales. The better option entirely depends on factors like customer needs, scalability, revenue streams, and business goals. Each model has its merits, and the choice often hinges on the specific market, product offering, and long-term strategy of the company. When it comes to maintenance and updates, both models have their unique strengths and weaknesses. The SaaS model is often seen as more controllable, thanks to its centralized nature. Updates and maintenance can be rolled out uniformly to all users, ensuring everyone has access to the latest version simultaneously. However, this centralized approach has its challenges. Ensuring seamless updates without disruptions across a vast user base can be a daunting task. In contrast, the product model provides users with more control over updates and maintenance, especially for on-premises installations. This can be a double-edged sword though. On one hand, it allows for greater customization. On the other hand, it can lead to fragmentation if users don't update regularly, resulting in varied versions and support challenges. The choice between the two often hinges on the specific market, product offering, and long-term strategy of the company. Profitability is a critical factor, and both models have their distinct advantages. Let's dive into this. When we look at the SaaS model, the name of the game is predictability. Because customers pay a subscription fee, usually monthly or annually, the revenue stream is steady and consistent. This recurring revenue can lead to higher long-term profitability, as it's not solely reliant on one-time purchases. But the journey to profitability might be a tad slower. It takes time to accumulate a substantial customer base and achieve profitability. Think of it as a snowball effect. It starts small and builds momentum over time. On the other side of the coin, we have the product model. This model can generate larger initial profits from one-time sales. Each sale contributes more immediately to the bottom line. It's like a sprinter bolting out of the blocks, quick to make an impact. However, maintaining consistent revenue streams over time can be a bit of a challenge. It relies on sporadic purchases and might require continual innovation or additional products to sustain profitability. But here's the thing, there's no one-size-fits-all answer here. Determining which is more profitable often depends on the business strategy, market demand, and ability to scale. A company with a product that's in high demand and can scale quickly might find the product model more profitable. At the same time, a company with a service that can retain customers over the long haul might find the SaaS model more lucrative. Both models have their pros and cons, and it's all about finding the right fit for your business. The SaaS model can provide more sustained, predictable revenue streams, while the product model might offer larger upfront profits. Ultimately, both models can be profitable depending on how they are executed within a specific market and business context. It's all about understanding your market, knowing your customer, and aligning your business model to meet those needs. In the end, profitability isn't just about making money, it's about creating value, both for your business and for your customers. And remember, The most successful businesses are those that can balance customer satisfaction with profitability. Determining which is more profitable often depends on the business strategy, market demand, and ability to scale. Charging recurring subscriptions for each new feature in a SaaS model can be a strategic approach called feature-based pricing. This method enables businesses to monetize additional functionalities or enhancements separately, tailoring pricing to specific user needs. Let's delve deeper into the advantages this approach offers. Firstly, feature-based pricing allows for scalable revenue. By charging separately for new features, businesses can continuously add value and generate additional revenue streams. It's like opening up new avenues of income with every feature you develop. Customers who are willing to pay for specific functionalities contribute to increased revenue without necessitating price hikes for the entire user base. This way, businesses can grow at a steady pace without burdening their customers with a sudden increase in subscription fees. Secondly, this approach offers flexibility. Users can choose which features they want to utilize and pay for, allowing for a more customized pricing structure. This flexibility can be a great selling point, as it allows customers to feel in control of what they're paying for. It also allows businesses to cater to different customer segments with varying needs, thereby enhancing market reach. In essence, it's about providing customers with choices, and who doesn't love having options? Finally, feature-based pricing facilitates value-based pricing. Since customers pay for the features they need, they're essentially paying for the value they derive from the software. This aligns the pricing with the perceived value, making the cost seem more justified in the eyes of the customer. It also encourages businesses to develop high-quality, valuable features that customers are willing to pay for, promoting continuous innovation and improvement. In conclusion, feature-based pricing in a SaaS model offers scalable revenue, flexibility, and value-based pricing. It's a strategic approach that can help businesses grow and evolve with their customers' needs. However, it's important to remember that there is no one-size-fits-all approach. Whether you choose a SaaS model with feature-based pricing or a product model, it should align with your business strategy, market demand, and scalability potential. So, there you have it, folks. The SaaS model versus the product model. Both have their merits and both have their challenges. We've dissected maintenance, updates, profitability, and even feature-based pricing. What are your thoughts or experiences with these models? Feel free to comment below and let's continue the conversation. Before we end this video, we'd like to take a moment and acknowledge the efforts behind it. This video was created by Ahmad and was brought to life with the help of Codebooks Academy. We're always eager to hear your thoughts, so if you have any questions or comments about the software models we've discussed today, or if there's something you'd like us to cover in future videos, feel free to drop a comment below. We appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and we hope you found it informative and engaging. Remember, the power of knowledge sharing lies in active participation. So let's keep the conversation going. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more content like this. See you in the comments section.